Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install WordPress and how to use WordPress for absolutely free on your local system. So let's dive into our video. So first of all, you will need a couple of software. One is Xampp and then our WordPress file. So for that, to download Xampp, just simply go to your favorite browser and in that this bar, just simply search with Xampp download and enter. And you'll be getting this www.apachefriends.org is basically your first search result. So here you need to just simply click on download Xampp, and this will going to redirect you to this official site of Xampp, and here you can see that our Xampp is available for these many versions. So from here I am going to recommend you to download the latest version, which is 8.1.6. when you will be watching this video, maybe the version get increased, so it might be 8.2 point something or even more. So it doesn't matter, you will be just simply downloading the latest version. Okay, so just simply click on that download button and it will going to start downloading our Xampp. Now since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I go to my download directory, you can clearly see that our latest version of Xampp 8.1.6 is already been downloaded over here. So that's first step. Next step is you need to download WordPress. How will be able to download WordPress? So just simply again go back to our browser, just open a new tab, and in URL just simply search with WordPress download. Okay, and enter. And here you'll be seeing this WordPress.org as our first search result. So you need to click on this download WordPress.org, and it will going to redirect you to this official site of WordPress. And here you can see that our latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress 6 version, that is what the latest version is version 6.0.2 is already been there. So you need to just simply click on this download button to download WordPress and see. Howdy, thanks for downloading WordPress, and our WordPress is rightly downloaded. So in this way you can easily download WordPress and Xampp. So that is the true product you will need for using WordPress in your local system. Okay, so after you download this two product, you need to just simply install Xampp. So for that, just simply double click on Xampp, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and I'll be simply minimizing my download directory, and see bitnami rightly shown. If it something like this showed up, you just simply click on OK, not a big deal. So now our our Xampp installation wizard is rightly opened over here. Here I need to just simply click on next. So these are all files and folders that they're going to install. You can keep everything as a default. Just simply click on next. This is going to be our Xampp folder. Just simply keep this default. Just simply click on next. English language is also set. If you want to change it to Dutch, you can always do that. Then just simply click on next, and see bitnami for Xampp is ready. Just simply click on next. It will open your browser telling that say hello to your favorite application on Xampp. You can just simply minimize it for the time being now, and see it's ready to be installed. Just simply click on next, and there you go, our installation has rightly begun. So this installing Xampp will take some time, maybe a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after completion of this process. Yeah. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Xampp is rightly installed. Just simply click on finish. So now that you know that our Xampp is rightly installed, our control panel you'll be seeing also rightly opened. So here you need to just simply start Apache and MySQL. So just simply click on the start button for Apache, and then you need to also click on this start button for MySQL. Okay, and now you can see that clearly both these buttons are rightly started, so it's turned to stop now. Now here you need to click on this admin button for MySQL. Okay, so just simply click on that, and what it will do is it will automatically going to open this localhost PHPMyAdmin. Okay, so now you need to create a database. So for that, just simply click on new, and here you need to type your database name. So I'll be typing database name as WordPress, right? And then just you need to simply click on this create button, and see our WordPress database is rightly created over here. So that's all you need to do in our PHPMyAdmin. Now all you need to do is you need to go back to your download directory, and remember we have downloaded this WordPress, so the version is 6.0.2, so this is already been downloaded. All you need to do is you need to extract it, so just simply right click on it and click on extract all, and now just simply click on extract, and see our extraction is rightly begun. So after some time you will be seeing that our WordPress 6.0.2 is rightly extracted, and it has automatically opened this folder. So if you go inside this WordPress folder, you can clearly see that all files and folders are rightly over here, right? This WPAdmin contains, then WP includes, everything is there. So you need to just simply go back to one directory, and here you need to just simply click on this WordPress, then right click and cart. Okay, so you need to cart this WordPress, the extracted WordPress folder, and you need to go back to our C drive, and then you'll be seeing this Xampp folder. So just simply go inside that Xampp folder, and then you'll be seeing this htdocs folder over here. So just simply go inside that htdocs folder, and now you need to just simply right click on it and paste. So what we are doing is we are first downloading our WordPress, then we are extracting it, and then we are cutting that WordPress folder which contains this admin contains and include all those files. So we are just simply cutting that WordPress folder, and we are pasting it inside our Xampp and then htdocs folder over here. See, our WordPress folder is rightly over here now. Now you need to go back to our browser and just simply open a new tab, and here just simply search with localhost, then slash, and now you need to just type WordPress. Just see localhost / WordPress, then enter, and you will be seeing this type of page rightly opened over here. Okay, so here you need to choose your language as per your wish. Totally, I am choosing English. Okay, and then I'll just simply click on continue, and here you can see that welcome to WordPress. So you need to give database name, everything I'll show you, don't need to worry. All you need to do is just simply click on let's go, and now it will asking to give your database name, username, and all other things. So remember, the database name is WordPress, we have given here this WordPress, so that same database name you need to give over here. So by default they have already written it WordPress, so you don't need to do anything, that is totally fine. But here in username you need to change it as root. Okay, that is the default one, and the password don't need to give anything, that's how it is built. Okay, and here database host is fine and table prefix is fine. So just you need to change this username to root, password you just remove it, and then just simply click on submit, and see it's ready to be installed. Just simply click on run the installation, and it will going to start installing our WordPress. But before that it will ask you to give our site title name and username and password and all. So the site title is basically what usually at the top of the site you see, like see here it is telling localhost 127.00.1. in this tab it is showing bitnami for Xampp. Similarly here it is showing WordPress installation. So that is what title means. Here you need to give such type of title. So I am giving a title called Geeky script. You can give your company name or your name or anything that you wish. Username I'll just keep it simple, I'll just simply keep it root, and password also I'll remove all those things and I'll change it with root. It is a weak password, but we are only going to use it in our local system, so it doesn't matter. Okay, you can keep it a simple password as well. So you need to just check this, confirm use a weak password, and here you need to give your email ID. So here I'm going to give my email ID. Right, so just simply give your email ID and then just simply click on install WordPress. So it will take some time. You can see that it is rotating. So all this basically mean is it is installing, and see success, it is rightly installed. WordPress has been installed. Thank you. So just simply click on login, and here remember the user ID and password you have given, which is root, and password is also root. Okay, so just simply give this, click on remember me, so you don't need to again and again you don't need to give username and password for logging in. Just simply click on login, and there we go, our WordPress dashboard is rightly there. So now if you want to just have a quick look at your website, just simply hover over this title. I remember we have given this title Geeky script. Here you will be getting your name or the title that you have given. So just simply hover over that and then just simply click on visit site. And see, our site is already been there. And the title that I have told you, remember, during installation, see the Geeky script is rightly shown over here. Okay. Now we can see that our site is pretty much ready. This is the default one. You can always change that by just simply click on back button. And here if you go to appearance, then theme, you can see these are all default theme that you will be getting after installing WordPress. But from here I'll be recommending you popular theme called Astra. So just simply click on add new, and here just simply search with Astra, and there we go. See, Astra is rightly there. So you can easily install by just simply clicking on install, and you can use several templates that Astra provides. But I'll be also recommending you to use Astra Pro. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can easily get Astra Pro. So stay connected with my channel, do subscribe, hit the like button if you like it, and I'll be posting more and more videos about WordPress, how to create website, how to use Astra Pro and all other stuff on this channel only. So do subscribe your channel and also do press the bell icon so that you can easily get notified. Okay, so that's all basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.